Good morning, this is Globally Trading with an FX update for November 23rd. The Royal Bank of New Zealand raised its rates with 75 basis points as expected. Stock futures are slightly lower as investors wait for the Fed minutes tonight at 8 p.m. Central European Time for more clues into the pace of future interest rate hikes. US 10-year is now at around 3.75%. Oil will remain under pressure at around $80. With China being the world's biggest oil importer and having a zero-tolerance COVID policy, recent restrictions will further slow down growth. Also, higher interest rates caused by inflation does have an impact on growth and thus on oil demand. The French services PMI coming in worse than expected at 49.4 and German services PMI slightly higher than expected at 46.4. UK and US flash services PMI a bit later today, both 48 expected. Needs to be above 50 to indicate the industry is expanding, so German and French economies are still contracting at the moment. Euro-dollar might have another go at the 200 EMA on the daily, which also coincides nicely with my 38.2% daily FIB. Let's see what today brings. Bitcoin is up 2% today and is now trading at around 16.5K.